Welcome to the Create with Katrina Julia show by Fit Life Creation, where we talk all the things on wellness, faith, marketing, business, and travel to create a life and business you love. I've been there, friend. I've walked from fear to faith, self-hate to love, corporate to calling, and bondage to freedom, along with transformation in every area of my life. I'm right here with you, walking along on my own path to creating. So tune in so that you learn how to create a life and business you love, hands-on. Let's create it. Loving this challenge, you will love my Create It Monthly. For the creators and for the CEOs who crave creating community and cash to create it like a boss, in Create It Monthly, you get access to 75 plus tips, tools, and tech with an incredible ebook, a 7-day jumpstart online course with faith, wellness, marketing, business, travel, and wealth and communities, everything you see in the 30-day challenge. Exclusive access and discounts. The first to get in the Create It Summit when it's released. Create It Creations, exclusive newsletters and blogs, a vision workshop, and a live group monthly session with me on various topics and hands-on sessions to create it, from wellness to marketing to business to travel to communities to money, and we vote on it as a community with a poll released monthly. Check out the link in the bio and dive deep into all the details on Create It Monthly. See you on the inside. Cheers! Welcome to day 23 of the 30-day challenge. And in today's segment, I am talking about Herbalife, but I'm also going to be sharing a smoothie bowl recipe. So if you didn't know, I'm Katrina Julia. I am a multi-passionate entrepreneur, athlete, traveler, creator, and CEO of Create It, where I help creators and CEOs who crave creating community and cash create it like a boss. And specifically with Herbalife Nutrition. I started using Herbalife Nutrition back in 2013 in a year and a half with the incredible shakes, teas, tabs, snacks, skincare, all the things. I lost over a year and a half, 55 pounds, and I have kept it off and continued to transform. This is included doing half marathons, triathlons, including an Olympic distance one in Washington, D.C., several fitness photo shoots, and National Physique Committee bikini fitness bodybuilding shows. That's NPC Bikini, where I've placed top 5 and even top 3 already, and I will be doing shows again. So let's get into creating an unforgettable smoothie bowl that you can create anywhere you are in the world. And all my online and live experiences include incredible transformation tips, tools, and tech across wellness, wealth, marketing, and business. Welcome to how to create a unforgettable smoothie bowl that you will love with Herbalife Nutrition, and specifically the protein base that I am using is from here in Mexico, and it is a coconut flavored shake. And I added 4 scoops of protein, which in this case with the Formula 1 is 18 grams of protein, okay? I already blended my base, so you can see like the beautiful blend that is happening here. Let's see, let me move the camera a bit. There you go. Okay, and I already set up the plate of toppings, plus I have granola. So I have the plate of toppings. that is happening with, I added blueberries, raspberries, and bananas. And you guys, one of the best grocery stores that I love in Mexico is Chedraui. And they have super chedraui, it's Chedrau. And then I also got some granola to top it, to add to my toppings. So Quaker, and it's arándanos y almendras. So I think it's cranberries and almonds, but also you can see raspberry and blueberry flavor too. So we are going to go ahead and add the toppings. Let's see. I know what I'm gonna do with the camera. So you're gonna come over here with me. There you go. Okay, move this out the way. And then what I typically do is just start on one end. If you've never made a smoothie bowl before, just start on one end with one base. So this case, I'm starting with raspberries. I love raspberries, you guys. They have such a special place in my heart because my grandma, Babcia Jadzia, in Poland, had raspberry bushes in her garden. And I would always go and pick them and even find worms inside of them. And I know some of you are probably like, ew, that's gross, but it's actually such a fond memory. And they always make me really happy to eat. Plus the taste. So then I'm adding blueberries. All the chats on faith, wellness, money, marketing, business, and travel, so you create a life and business already. Head on over to the blog, the podcast, and the freebies to jumpstart your transformation. If you're ready to dive into the online courses, the live events, or the retreat, and if you want to create with our community on an even deeper level, definitely check out our internships, our influencer collaborations, management, and brand engagement. Let's create it.